there, and welcome to Whimsical Creations. Today I'm going to be working with a 20-ounce tumbler from the Stainless Depot. And I also purchased this vinyl from the Vinyl Cottage. It's called Pink Overload, but I'm going to list all the materials in the description box below. So I apologize for this being out of the camera frame, but my original idea wasn't working and I must have hit the camera. So it's going to be, you'll be coming back into frame soon. So my apologies. But anyway, what I've done is I've taken this vinyl and I measured how wide I wanted it. I didn't want the vinyl to completely wrap around half of the tumbler. So I just cut it back a little bit. I'm going to trim the excess vinyl off the top and the bottom of the tumbler. And then I'm going to apply painter's tape along the vinyl to keep it from being contaminated from the paint, adhesive, and glitter. Now I'm going to put the glitter on my tumbler. I do know that the adhesive is dry because there's no white haze to it, and you can tell my fingers sticking to it a little bit. I'm going to apply this glitter that I purchased from AB Design Co. It's called Fire Up. It's a Halo Fine glitter, and I'm going to make sure I douse my tumbler with this glitter because I want to make sure I don't have any bald spots. I don't want to have to put another coat on. And once that's done, I'm going to take the excess glitter that I have from dumping on my tumbler and I'm going to put it back in the bottle. I will not use the glitter. I normally don't use the glitter that I burnished off. I'm not sure if it's contaminated or not. Some people use it, but why take the chance? If I'm on a roll and everything is going well, I'll just burnish it off and, throw it away. Now here comes the fun part, burnishing down the glitter. It looks so pretty. Not that it wasn't a pretty glitter to begin with, and I probably could have kept it like that without burnishing down, but I like the look of it. And I just wanted this to be simple. It's easier when you have the glitter, it's nice and flat, then you can just put your coats of epoxy on and there's not much sanding to do. Now I'm going to remove the painter's tape and I'm going to get ready to put 2 coats of the FLYNN Sisters fast setting epoxy on, and I'm going to let that dry thoroughly, and then I will be back to show you what I did for the lettering. So I found these cute X's and O's on Creative Fabrica, and I'll also list and link that in the description box. I did an offset of this pattern. So the bottom pattern has the white, these X's and O's will be on the white, but I thought this was kind of cute to have it the same pattern as the little piece I have coming down the side. So now I'm going to go ahead and weed this pattern here. And in the O's, there's little hearts. So you'll see the white from the offset and behind there, and then you'll have the little hearts in the O's. I'm going to put some transfer tape over the top of these and transfer it onto the backing that I have there. You can see the little X and O's that I have underneath. So I'll put that on there, and then I'm going to cut that out, and then I will measure to see where it will be, where I'm going to put them on the tumbler. I measured this a few times to make sure that I put the decal in the right place because I wanted to add the second one right next to it. And I wasn't sure which way I should put it. Should I put the O's side by side or do it opposite? But either way, I like the way it came out, and luckily everything was even. Now that the decals are down, I'm going to put polyacrylic over the top just to make sure that everything's lying flat, and off to the turner for some FLYNN Sisters fast set. And then, okay, the tumbler's dry and I had minimal sanding to do, and now it's time for the striping. The striping very simple. I put a white line on either side of the vinyl and one on either side of the vinyl on the top and the bottom. I took some red nail tape, put it down the middle, put a little polyacrylic on it, and then off it went to the turner. I only had to use one coat of the FLYNN Sisters Artisan Epoxy, and here you go, the finished product. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.